Okay, so let us start with this session. Okay, I hope you can see my screen, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let me give you a quick introduction. I'm Tanmay Mudgal, and I'm working with Unnati for AI upskillment of students and the employees. So today I'll be taking your session and telling you more about AI from the basics and up. And just give me a second. Okay, yeah. So I will be telling you about AI, the basics of AI and how can you use it for, your jobs and your life in general also. So let us start uh, with the basics. Let us do a warm-up activity. Uh, I want all of you people to drop an app that you use every day in your life. Uh, you can put it in the chat box. Okay, I see WhatsApp, YouTube, and what else? Gmail. Okay. What else? Facebook, Instagram, X. Okay. OnePay. Okay, fine. That is good. Perplexity. Okay. Somebody is using Perplexity already. Harsh. Okay. That is nice. Okay. So can you tell me why it is useful or fun? I mean, some people have mentioned WhatsApp, Gmail, Facebook. Instagram also, I think, falls in the same category of connecting with people. YouTube. How is YouTube helpful? Can you tell me? Okay, can somebody tell me?
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. This is
Good
Manget
evening.
Karasi.
Okay.
Yes, sir. I can say that WhatsApp app, it is useful for chatting with friends, and we can get so many messages from them, photos,
Mhm.
videos. We can send it, and we can pay everything. For everything, it is useful, right?
Mhm. Uh, sure. So these apps that you have dropped in the chat box, they are very easy to use, right? To acquire knowledge through YouTube for cooking, etc. Any app. Okay. Yes, Komal. So these apps that you have mentioned are very easy to use on everyday basis. So what is my promise to you guys after this session? The AI tools discussed will be as easy to use as the apps you have mentioned here. All right, so let us move to the next part and understand what is AI. So AI is a collection of programs and algorithms, you can say, and it learns by itself, you know, analyzing patterns. So much like the human brain. Uh, yes. So like how the human brains, for example, if you practice something every day, you will learn new things about that thing. Correct. So like that, AI also works like that, and it uses data from the internet to train itself. So how can AI help us? It can help us work faster and smarter because it has already learned patterns. Maybe we don't know. For example, AI knows how to do coding. Maybe you don't know, so you can take the help of AI to do it. Okay, so can you tell me some examples of AI that you use in daily life, knowingly, unknowingly? Yes, Saurabh Pandey.
Sir, mostly of the uses Gemini AI, ChatGPT, and Google Bard.
Google Bard. Okay.
Mhm.
Is Google Bard still existent? Uh, Sorry, it was Saurabh, right? Okay. What do you use those AI tools for? Can you tell me that?
Actually, sir, most used to search prompt.
Okay, prompt for other AI tools.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is nice. Autocorrect, yes, Harsh, you're right. Autocorrect. Uh, there are some AI tools. There is one called Grammarly, if you guys know. It is used. It is used for correcting your grammatical mistakes. Yes, Wasim. This is a very good example. What else? What else? Uh, is AI there in YouTube, Instagram? Yes. The suggestions and recommendations that you get on the homepage of YouTube and the reels that you get on Instagram are all part of the AI algorithm. Right. So these are some examples, and some examples are also, voice assistants like Gemini, Alexa, and all that. If you know. Uh, Let us move on to the next section. Yes, Meta AI is also an AI. Speech to write. Yes, speech to write or write to speech. I think it is text to speech AI. Correct. So let us move on to the next section. Let us do a little. I look. There are only what 3 or 4 people participating. Let us get a little more engaging. Response. I want other people to participate too in the chat box or whatever. If you want to unmute, it is fine. Grok, yes, Grok, Gemini. Okay, let us do a little true or false quiz. AI can only correct typos. It is true or is it false? Okay. Everybody. Okay. Yes, it is true. Okay. Okay. So it is false. The correct answer is false because AI is much more capable than that. This is only one of the areas that it can show its professionality in. The next question is AI never makes mistakes. Is it true or is it false? Okay, Saurabh is saying it is true. Everybody is saying it is false. Anybody else saying it is true? Okay, everybody is with false. So the correct answer is false. AI can make mistakes. It let us discuss about it, when we proceed further with the next sections. Let us go with the next question. That is, AI can help write reports. Is it true? Okay. Everybody says it is true. Anybody else wants to answer? I think I see only, you know, very few people answering this question. Okay. So it is true. AI can help us write reports. It can summarize text also, and it can do many things. So let us go to the next section. It is AI for your resume and cover letter. So, you can make your resume more appealing to the companies so that, there is a higher chance of you getting hired. What you can, for example, you are building your resume. So what you can do is you have an experience of, like you wrote something like I manage my inventory. So you can put this into chat GPT or any other AI assistant, and you can ask that I'm building my resume, and I want you to uh, you know uh, put uh, rephrase this sentence such that my chance of getting hired increases. So what you see here is the rephrased sentence, like optimized inventory flow by 20%. So this increases your chance, of getting the position. The next one is like the cover intro, the cover letter that comes before the resume, that helps form an opinion about you before even reading your experience and skills and all that. So this is actually people say that first impressions last. So this is where you should be focusing more. So you can put something like this simple prompts into the AI just to get started. Job title plus company, and give me a 3-line intro about myself that I can put into the cover letter. You It will generate some lines, and you can verify. You need to verify because AI can make mistakes. So you need to go through it and see if it is proper. The tool you can use here is ChatGPT. It is free to use. If somebody doesn't know how to use ChatGPT, can stay back after the session. I can show him or her. The next section is sorry. Does anybody have any doubts here? This section. You can unmute or you can drop it in the chat box. Okay, no doubts. Then I will be proceeding to the next section, which is AI for job search and skill building. Companies release the job ads. We are hiring this position. We need this, that, all that. You can, put it into AI and, highlight top 3 skills, and it will give you a list of the skills. Then you can focus on those and, to get the job. You can also, based on the skills, you can also, craft a learning plan through it. Like you don't know how to use Excel, so you write this prompt: teach me Excel basics in 1 week, because after 1 week you will be having that interview. So you can make it 2 weeks or 1 month, whatever. And yeah, you can ask it to give me 3 tasks per day. So you will have a structured plan ready for you that you can follow and build your skill set to give the interview and eventually get the job. Sorry. So what is the benefit? Less reading, more doing. So you can save your time basically. And if you are not able to understand what the company wants, you can retrieve that information using AI. So any doubts here? Doubts? You can stop me anytime if you have any doubts. Uh, so let us proceed to the next section then. It is AI for everyday communication. So what can you do with AI? You can draft emails. You can also, if you're contacting any clients or customers through WhatsApp or any other medium, social media platform, maybe Instagram, you can tell the AI that this is an Instagram DM and these are the requirements. This is what I want to tell the customer, and give me an email or Instagram DM, whatever. So it'll craft it for you. The next is the tool called Grammarly. It is used to check grammar and sentence formation and all that. Basic tool, and it is free to use. The basic plans are free. The advanced professional plans are paid, that I don't think anybody needs right now. So this is a very useful tool. These are some examples to put in chat GPT. Right, like you applied for an email, for an interview, for a job interview, and uh, the person has not responded yet. So you can write a polite follow up, like, sir, how is it going? uh, what is my status and all that. If you don't like the outcome of the AI very much, you can also ask it to edit it, like make this message friendlier as it is shown here, or make it more formal, or make it more polite or something like that. Any doubts here? No doubts. Okay. So let us.
As the airport person, what do you make of this? What's the reputation of this?
Harsh, do you have any doubts?
When we construct some draft, when we prepare some draft or email for job or any report,
Mm-hmm.
our customer or our senior says that this is an AI generated material and all these things. So is there anything they are asking for original material, original content? Okay, so is there anything that like we can prepare, we can make, construct some original thing by that? Is this only depend on our prompt or anything we can do extra?
I mean, if you put a very detailed prompt, it will generate a more human-like draft.
Hmm.
If you specify everything that you want, you specify the tone, the uh, the message, how do you want to convey it?
Mhm.
So
So everything depends upon our prompt, like how much natural this prompt is, so it will give that answer.
yes, and there are some AI tools as well that humanize the text more so that it looks like it is written by a human being. Uh, I think it is called humanize.ai, if I'm not wrong. Let me just look up.
So that humanized dot AI is for generating prompt or content.
For content. So you can put your AI generated content into that AI and
Hmm.
it'll humanize it, like
Hmm.
as if it is written by you.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Or otherwise, you can, in the chat GPT itself,
Hmm.
you can write a prompt like humanize this more. Like,
Okay. So we have to refine more and more.
correct. You can always do that. There is no limit of refinement in chat
Uh,
GPT.
uh, oh, thanks.
Yeah, sure. Yes, Wasim, it is used for drafting an email as well. So, if there are no further doubts, let us proceed to the next section. Okay, so let me tell you guys a story. This is Rita. All right. So she was not getting, a very high paying job. She was living modestly, below her means. She was struggling actually. But then somebody suggested her that, you should improve your AI skills as well. You should improve your resume and, your interview skills. So what she did is she applied those advices and she landed a higher paying job. Uh, just excuse me for a moment. Yes, I'm back. Sorry. Yes. So what did she do exactly? What was her problem? What was her main problem was resume bullets. So it is not like that. If you improve your resume, you may you will be more effective in landing jobs, but it is also you need to upskill yourself as well. It is I'm not telling that if you only do this you will land a high paying job. This will certainly help you. So this was her problem, the weak resume bullets. So what did she do? She used the AI and told it to upgrade the bullet points and write her a cover letter intro. The outcome, she landed an interview in 2 days. So this is, people underestimate the power of AI in today's world. If you use it, uh, properly, it can do wonders. And in today's day and age, there are many AI tools available in the market for what not. I mean, image to video is there, text to image, text to video. You can do anything. Marketing tools are there. So in today's world, the only limit is your own mind. If you want to, uh, grow, you can always use AI, and there are other resources as well, YouTube and all that. So this was our session for today. These are some things you can try, and if there are any questions, I'm happy to answer. Please tell me if you have any questions. No questions. Okay, so let me share you some resources. You can scan this QR code, or save it, take a screenshot or something, scan it later. This is the cheat sheet that I'm providing. It has all the explanation that we have discussed today, and also some quick exercises. It has exercises of 3 levels, starting from basic to advanced. So you can upskill yourself in using AI as well. Can you suggest a free tool to make good PPTs? Yes, it is called gamma.ai. Let me just drop it in the chat box. Gamma.ai. You can use this to craft good PPTs. Yes, and it is you can also use it for some document formatting and all that. It also has other options. So any other questions you guys have? I've shared the resources. I hope you have scanned the QR code and taken it. Uh, you can practice those questions, and I have also included some tools that might be useful for your areas, like if you're doing some degree or you're from ITI. I've included all those. Okay, then let us meet in the next session, hopefully.